Straight back down. Just come straight backwards, you get?
I'll take over commands. Walk straight back towards me. Keep walking back. Back towards me, back towards me. Keep walking back, keep walking back, keep walking back. Stop.
Salute squad and welcome to the Mr.Goodbread Plus channel where we react to police body cam videos. So today we got a crazy one, and this one was a little bit, a suspected pimp gets pulled over and the police really didn't have no answers for him. They was bullshitting this man. But let's get into this.
Hey driver, open your window! Robert, that's a female driver. Anybody else in the car? Hey, is there anybody else in the car? Say it again.
Hey, just keep doing what you're doing.
Hey, open all the windows, please. Driver, shut the car off. Driver, shut the car off. You have the keys? Okay, take the keys out, show them to me, please. Okay, perfect. Can you set the keys on the roof? Thank you. Okay, driver, go and exit the vehicle, please. Everybody else stay there.
What does a passenger look like?
Eric, I got your passenger side, man.
Okay, you next. Hop out. Keep your hands where you can see them. Hey, how many more in the car?
Two more.
Two more. Thank you.
Man, a car full of hoes, man. And it's something about that Seattle, Portland, Cali area. Sure is a lot of fish hoes selling females over there, man. Sheesh.
Hey, passenger, front passenger. Go and step out of the car, please. Front passenger, step out.
Keep your hands up, boss. You're good, keep your hands up.
Walk straight back down.
Just come straight backwards, you get?
I'll take over commands. Walk straight back towards me. Keep walking back. Back towards me, back towards me. Keep walking back, keep walking back, keep walking back. Stop. You have any weapons on you? I got it.
Hey, passenger, here. Come step out.
Yep, you're good, you're good, you're good. Come on back, man. Just one forward, that's fine, okay?
Yep, let's go.
Keep your hands ready, fine.
Can you grab that phone, please?
All right, ready? Okay. All right, clear. It's clear.
So this vehicle was involved in a shooting yesterday, okay?
Huh?
This vehicle was involved in a shooting. We believe it was involved in a shooting, okay? You're only being detained right now. Suspicion of assault, okay? That's what's happening. I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
How you reading me my rights? What did I do?
You're in custody. I got to read your rights.
But what did I do though?
Hey, we'll talk about that in a second. Let me read you your rights, okay? I already told you why you're being detained. You're being detained only, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. If you're under arrest, you have the right to counsel. If you're unable to pay for counsel, you're entitled to have one provided without charge. Do you understand each of these rights that I have read to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to us?
I don't know what I did.
At this point, we just need to identify you. So name, address, date of birth, phone number. Are you willing to give that to that officer?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now in situations like this, fellas, just remain calm. Cause honestly, when you didn't do nothing, your nerves ain't bad. Your nerves is only bad when you know you did something. And even if they are pulling you over for prostitution and you being a pimp, that is not what they just said. So you keep your cool and you should be good. Because as long as you ain't do no shooting and booting, you alright. Unless you caught up in a sting and they just trying to buy time and they just fishing around. But in any event, control your emotions. Don't go flying off the handle. And you should be good.
So why did they arrest me?
So the suspect in our investigation
Right.
is unfortunately a male. Obviously, none of the females need to be in handcuffs right now. Okay, so the possible driver or suspect associated with that vehicle,
Right.
we believe was involved in a shooting. If it's not you, if it wasn't you, you got nothing to worry about. Okay, just want to be really clear right there. If you didn't do anything wrong, you got nothing to worry about. Okay.
Is your ID out of Washington?
No.
No.
California?
I'm gonna see this. All right. Well, you're in custody. I'm gonna take this off just to make sure that you don't get choked or anything. Okay.
I don't. Can you leave my chain on?
You're allowed me to leave it on?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's just a safety issue. I don't want you to get hurt.
Yes, sir.
You don't have the use of your arms, so.
Why did they? Oh, this kind of tight.
Yeah, let me take a look at them. Go ahead. I'll take a quick look.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah. Here. Hold on. I got you.
They said it was a male. They said it was a male.
Hey, I know very little on this, okay? But the vehicle in question was involved in a very, very serious crime. How's that? Is that a little bit better? You got a finger right there, finger right there?
You're telling me, like, I wasn't even in that car, bro.
Hey, like I said, man, if you didn't do anything wrong, you got absolutely nothing to worry about, okay? So
But
just...
you saying that I was driving that car?
I'm not saying you were driving.
That's what I'm saying. Why am I being... If I'm not the guy that was even in the car, I just got picked up.
Then you got nothing to worry about. Unfortunately, this vehicle is a very, very serious problem vehicle, okay? Go ahead and turn around if you want. You are only being detained at this point. We are determining whether or not you're going to be arrested. That's where we're at, okay?
Why you need that?
I've explained to you, okay,
No, but
last night. Hold on.
I wasn't in that car last night.
Then you have nothing to worry about, all right?
Y'all gonna have to come up with a better system of detaining these people. How y'all say, you're not arrested, you're just detained. But he damn sure look arrested to me, and he's starting to feel like he's getting arrested. And I hope he controls his emotion, but y'all gonna have to find a better system, because y'all violating this man's rights, and y'all don't even know. Y'all is so uncertain. Y'all don't even know if he's the man y'all looking for. Y'all gotta do better. Y'all got to. No excuse.
But somebody in that vehicle, we believe, was and caused a very, very serious crime, okay? And it wasn't a female. It was a male suspect, all right? That's where we're at.
Wouldn't y'all have a description or something of the male?
My sergeant right now is working on and speaking with the follow-on units, the ones conducting the investigation.
Right.
They're going to determine whether or not you are the person that we are looking for. If you are not the person that we're looking for, you're going to be released. You understand? Hey, that's where we're at, man. That's all I've got, dude. I'm a beat cop, all right? The investigators that do a lot better than I do, they're the ones making this decision, okay? All right, have a seat, please. Yeah, I know it's tight, but it's only like a 2-minute drive, all right? So can you rotate a little bit too that way? There you go. How tall are you?
16?
Oh, that's not too good for us now, is it? So we'll get you to the precinct and get you out of this car as quick as we can, all right? Okay.
So unless he got caught up in a sting or something of that nature, he should be good. But guys, all the more reasons to be aware of your surroundings. Don't be lending your cars out. Be careful of who car you jump up into. Be more aware of your surroundings, guys, all right? Like, share, and remember, only subscribe if you dig in the content. Salute to all my new subs. I appreciate you. See y'all later.
FBI, open up!
Citizens report attack.
This reaction channel is made for education and news gathering purposes. Not associated with any police agency, we believe this footage can be used as an educational and informational guide for viewers to analyze and evaluate situations. The video on this channel has been obtained through public records request. The featured content is not intended to be violent or glorify violence in any way. We are sharing the footage for the purposes of news reporting and education. Thank you. Hit that like button. Let's go.